Class. Today I will be showing you how to use the circle tool. Now the circle is placed here among the icons. Here is the circle, and like I told you in previous videos, I said for you to know the function of a particular tool, you could place your mouse on it. Autocard would tell you what the tool is used for and how it is being used. If you watch this tool, the circle tool, you will observe that it has a drop. If you click on the drop, you will see that it explains various circles I have here. Like this one is telling me I have the radius circle. If you watch the dropped information. Now, assuming you want to draw a circle and you don't want to use this particular format, you have other format in mind. All you need to do is to go to the draw box and then see the various circles you have. You could draw your circle with a given radius, you could draw your circle with a given diameter, you could draw your circle with 2 points, information given to you, using 2 endpoints of the diameter. An example of such is given to you. 3 points is given to you. An example of what they are trying to tell you is displayed below. Now, to move on quickly, we are going to use the first one, which is trying to draw a circle with a given radius. So I go straight to my worksheet and then I hit on it. I right click. You see it begins to tell me at what point do you wish to stop? At what point do you want to stop? Okay, now let me assume the circle I want to draw has a radius of 500. Now after writing 500, I will say enter. You see my circle is there. It's actually very easy. And then let's try another one. Say now you are given a diameter and I want to get the same circle. Since this radius is already 500, since I'm using diameter now, let's want to draw this exact circle. The diameter will now be 500 times 2, which will give us 1000. So I'll come here, I'll right click, then I go. Now the diameter will give here now will be 1000. And after writing, I say enter. You see, I have the same circle, the same size. And it is still possible for you to draw circles with just your free hand. You could just come here, because Autocard also works with measurement. It goes with it can assume for you. For example, you just want to draw a circle as a beginner, you could just come and draw a circle like this, and you still have it. You see, it's telling you what the diameter should be, how you want it to be. So if you want it to get to 1000, you could adjust it till it gets to 1000. This, however, is always usually more difficult and is not as accurate as the ones we drew earlier. So this is a very simple one. You could try this and see if you can draw circles using the Autocard software. Thanks so much for watching, and do hit the subscription below. Thank you.